Second grade, are you ready?
Not quite. We want to check what you all know about Valentine's Day before we get started with some trivia. So we're going to have audience participation. You're going to be as quiet as you can. If your answer to the question is A, hold up a 1. If it's B, hold up a 2. If it's C, hold up a 3. And if it's D, hold up a 4. Okay? But we have to be kind of quiet so we can hear all the questions. Got it?
Got it.
All right, here we go.
How many states have a city named Valentine? A, 2 states. B, 4 states. C, 1 state. And D, 5 states. The answer is B, 4. Nebraska, Arizona, Texas, and Virginia all have towns called Valentine. How many conversation hearts are made each year? A, 2 million, B, 1 million, C, 10 billion, D, 8 billion. The answer is D, 8 billion.
Okay.
How many roses are grown in preparation for Valentine's each year? A, 250 million, B, 100 million, C, 1 billion, or D, 900,000? The answer is A, 250 million. What year was there a shortage of conversation hearts? A, 2020, B, 2015, C, 2019, D, 2022. And the answer is C, 2019. What is the most popular gift to give on Valentine's Day each year? A, flowers, B, jewelry, C, cards, D, candy. The answer is D, candy. Conversation hearts are the third as what? A, cough drops, B, cookies, C, sugar cubes, or D, chalk? And the answer is A, cough drops. Which flower is the symbol of love? A, rose, B, tulip, C, sunflower, or D, carnation? And the answer is A, the rose. Venus, the Roman goddess of love, adored the red rose.
Just a second, I think we're ready now. Now we're ready.
Who are the #1 recipient of Valentine's? A, parents, B, children, C, teachers, or D, grandparents? The answer is C, teachers.
Thank you so much. Are we ready now, second graders?
Of course!
Awesome. Please enjoy the Valentine mystery.
It was a stormy Valentine's Day Eve, and all the teachers had gathered in the school's teachers' lunch for an emergency meeting. The teachers were worried and talking among themselves when Principal Violet walked in. I want to start off by saying that I greatly appreciate the effort taken by all the teachers to collect their classes' Valentine treats in a day of events of their class parties. All the items were securely stored right here. The juice boxes! The cupcakes! What happened? What in the world? As you can see, all of the Valentine treats and decorations you gathered for tomorrow has disappeared. All of them? Indeed, all the Valentine's treats had vanished, and the teachers slowly looked from person to person, looking for any hint of who could have done this. Little did they know that Miss Teal had found the supplies there that morning after being out for a week. She had missed the announcement that items were being delivered to the lounge for safekeeping and assumed all of the items were extra, packed them in her car, and delivered them to the local senior center, Happy Acres. Whoops! I know it is quite upsetting, but we must not forget that we have a school full of children coming in the morning and fishing, crepe cases, balloons, cupcakes. So many cupcakes! We must think of some way to save this holiday for our kids. I think it was a great idea that we all split up and work in different parts of the Valentine's month. But I'm still not sure what you and I will be able to find out of this random box of stuff. It's the box that counts. It's amazing what you can find in the school storage room, right? You can say that again. This gives me an idea. Let's get to work. Fantastic firings for in-service days, but I didn't know that would get me put on an emergency treat making team. I know the last time I cooked anything, I spent weeks getting pizza rolled out of the toaster. I'll have you know, I have won a blue ribbon at every state fair since I was 7. That's a lot of blue ribbons. I do think those velvet cupcakes should be edible, but I'm still not sure we can say Valentine's Day. I had no idea how much sugar was in frosting. No wonder it tastes so good. Do you think the teachers will mind all the sugar and red food coloring used? Well, I know. I'm sure glad that Principal Violet has a kitchen stocked with 3 types of chocolate chips. I just couldn't stand to serve Eloise Pink's blue ribbon with a triple threat chocolate chip cookies, just 2 types of chips. Let's just hope the milk delivery comes in the morning. There isn't anything like giving one of my cookies in a big cup of milk. I'd say we make Mr. Thompson's snack stash in the locker room. Yeah, maybe he can find things to create a trail mix. Oh my! Only 10 hours until the students arrive. I hope we are ready. Day. But what they discovered was, beyond their wildest dreams, their teachers had worked all night to create a holiday wonderland. Look at these hearts. I think Miss Fred must have stayed up all night making them. I don't see any cupcakes, but I see the most amazing Chex Mix ever. Who knew Takis and almonds could go together? My mouth is still watering from those fresh baked cookies. One of our teachers is so extra. I am definitely excited for eating my Valentine's Day home, but I am still not sure why we have St. Patrick's Day and hats on our desk. Students, take your seats. Before we begin our day, I wondered if anyone could tell us what is special about today. Oliver. It's Valentine's Day. Sydney. And our teachers decorated for us. Zachary. Someone has been baking cookies. Hazel. And soon we all get to read our special poem. All of those things are cute and wonderful. Mrs. Red, is your class ready to recite their poem? We were born ready! Let's begin. Little red hearts are meant to say, I'm thinking of you on Valentine's Day. I think Francis you to laugh and play. Thanks for your friendship on this Valentine's Day. 5 pretty Valentines. 5 pretty Valentines waiting in the store. Josie brought one and then there were 4. 4 pretty Valentines that I can see. Oliver brought one and then there were 3. 3 pretty Valentines said, I love you. Evelyn bought one and then there were 2. 2 pretty Valentines, this is so much fun. Hazel bought one and then there's 1. 1 pretty Valentine sitting on the shelf. I loved you so much, I bought it for myself. I love you little, I love you lots. My love for you will fill 10 pots, 15 buckets, 16 cans, 3 teacups, and 4 dishpans. Valentine's Day. Hearts and love and laughter too. Do you love Valentine's Day as much as I do? Chocolate hearts and showing you care. A deep red rose and a cute little bear. Everyone getting a warm embrace, love and smiles written all over their face. It's that one special day throughout the year where there's never too much love in the air. Everyone wearing pink and red, memories of loved ones filling their heads. Cupid looks for the perfect chance, and when he's ready, he takes his stance. He shoots his arrow, and before you know, someone's in love wherever you go. Families hold each other tight and make sure they say their I love yous at night. Because Valentine's Day reminds us how there's no better time to love than now. That was great, but there's one more poem. The love bug. It begins with a grin, it turns into a giggle. You start to laugh, your legs start to wiggle. You look all around for someone you should hug. What can you do? You caught the love bug. That was wonderful. Yay! As you can all tell, everything worked out well. As for the folks over at Happy Acres Retirement Home, this was the best Valentine's Day ever. Little did Miss Steele know, she was starting a tradition that everyone would love. Now that that's over, let's party!
graders. That was awesome. Thank you to all our second graders for all their hard work and to their parents for helping them practice their lines. That was awesome. Oh, thank you to our random stuff in our storage room. The kids wanted me to make sure I shouted out the storage room. And now let's have some introductions.
My name is Josie, and I'm 8, and I play narrator 1. My name is Oliver, and I play Mr. Blue in student 1. My name is Hazel, and I played Miss Yellow in student 4. Obviously the best student. My name is Sydney, and I played Miss Pink in student 2, the best teacher. My name is Zachary, and I played student 3 in Mr. Green. My name is Evelyn, and I played Principal Violet. My name is Bridget, and I played Miss Red. My name is Sophia, and I played narrator 2. Obviously the best part.
These are pros. Mostly just Sophia has to turn it back for you. So good enough.
And let me tell you, second grade, that was really, really good. I am so proud of you. That is a lot of lines, and it was funny, and it was cute, and I learned things. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Right?